Hey, this is Stuart Smith from Stuart Designs, and I paint monsters at haunted attractions all over the world. Come on and join me. Afternoon, my people. This is my second day here at Terror 29. We finished up the first two hallways. We are working on the third one, and then tomorrow we'll do floors, and then we're heading to California. Boo! Ooh, 1,700 miles. We can do it. Yes, we can. So, hey, thanks for coming on board. Like and subscribe. Check out the transitions. Watch to the end so you can see the finished product. And hey, thanks a lot for coming on board, people. And we'll see you on the next video from California. Take care.